Today, we're going to build the Firefly Serenity using 13 Lego pieces.
These are all the pieces you are going to need. In the description of this video, I left the piece names, count, and design IDs.
We're going to start with this 1x2 plate with clip on top. Now, the clip is going to be the front of our ship. And now underneath this 1x2 plate with clip, I'm going to grab a 1x2 plate with bar handle. And I'm going to put that bar handle so it's facing the same way as our clip. Because this is where we're going to attach the head of Serenity. Now, once I got this in place, I'm going to do a little color variation because, the Serenity wasn't the most pretty of ships because, they're keeping together. But I'm going to get a dark bluish gray 1x2 plate for the bottom. Now you can kind of mix up these light bluish gray, dark bluish grays, all one color if you want, but I'm using the mix of colors. Now once those are in place, I'm going to create that head I was talking about. And to create the head, it's just this mechanical arm piece. And I'm going to put that mechanical arm piece where the clip is onto that bar handle. And then just move it up so you kind of get the right shape of Serenity or the Firefly starship. Now, once that's in place, I need something to put the back engines on. And to do the back engines, I'm going to have to get this minifigure neck bracket. And I'm going to put that minifigure neck bracket on that back stud of my 1x2 plate with clip. So it's facing the back and I have some place to put my engines. And for that engine, I'm going to grab this 1x1 flower piece. So it's like the 5-petal flower, and I'm going to use that for the back engines of Serenity. Now, once I've got the back engines, I need the side. And to create the side, I'm going to grab these minifigure handcuffs. I'm going to put the handcuffs so that they're bending down and the clips are up. And then right here in the center, you've got to place the minifigure to hold it. Well, lo and behold, a clip will also hold that center. So we just put it in the center there. Now, once that's in place, you're going to have to kind of move these around to get the right shape of the engines on the side. But once those are on the side, we can create the engines. And to create the engines, I'm going to grab this 3/4 pin, this Technic pin and 3/4. And what I'm going to do is on the front, you got that little stud. I'm going to grab a light bluish gray 1x1 round plate with open stubs. If you look at the engines, they kind of got those big holes in it for the particles to fly through. And I'm going to put that on the front of that Technic pin. And then on the back, to give it a little more color, I'm going to grab another 1x1 round plate in dark bluish gray and just put on the back of that Technic pin. And then when I've got this in place, you can see where I got that Technic pin exposed and it's a little thinner. I'm going to attach that to our handcuffs that the darker piece is in back for the engines of Serenity. Now I do the same thing again where I'm going to put the light bluish gray in front and the dark bluish gray in back, open studs, then put it into the handcuffs. And here is a completed Serenity for Mal and his crew to fly around space and do whatever odd jobs they can find.
If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe or check out some of our other videos. Until next time, let's keep building together.